Switzerland just lost its spot in the US AI chip elite. What happens now? In Jan 2025, the US tightened export rules. Only 18 trusted allies get unlimited AI chip access. Switzerland isn't one. That means quotas ahead for Swiss researchers and startups. But Switzerland fights back. The Alp supercomputer in Lugano, a 270 pflops, 10,000 GPU giant, runs solely on hydropower, cooled by dam water, and ranks number 6 in the world. Plus, the Swiss National AI Institute, SNAI, is driving 10 million GPU hours to build open, transparent AI. And come 2026, Switzerland will ratify the Council of Europe AI framework, regulating public AI responsibly without stifling innovation. Chip limits, yes, but power, progress, ethics, Switzerland's still in the fast lane.